open. Open.
Do you want some help?
Okay. Sure. Dig. What? And one,
Oh, Camille, look at that.
Who's that?
Is that Winnie the Pooh?
Huh?
Where's Pooh?
Who?
Yeah. You can read. That's a book you can read by yourself.
Read.
Yeah.
Read it.
Mm-hmm.
We will read it.
Read it.
We will.
So read it. Last time.
Oh, Camille, look at this. It's counting. A book about counting. How exciting. That's so fun.
More.
Are we going to read these books?
Some more. One more. Counting.
That's right. That's very good.
What?
Counting. Oh, Camille. What is this?
This.
I love my mommy.
Little one more.
No, that's it
That's
from
it.
there. Look at those books. Aren't those nice?
Oh, Mommy.
Yeah, I love Mommy. Are we going to read those books?
Section.
Can you say thank you, Grandpa?
Give you, Pa.
Can you say thank you, Mama?
Give me, Ma.